Where are you from, bro?
Bro, I'm from Brazil.
Wow. तुम ब्राजील से होती? Yes. Wow,
Brazil? Será, bro?
you are Brazilian.
Brazilian?
Yes,
I thought you was.
I am Indian. Namaste, namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. I am your Jija. Okay?
Jija?
Yes,
What
yes.
is Jija?
I am your Jija.
What is Jija?
You are my Sala.
What is. Bro, I think you're.
You are my Sala.
What is Sala, bro? We're
Yeah.
working.
Explain you.
Explain.
Jija. Jija means your sister's husband. Sala
Hmm.
means my wife, brother.
Nah, bro, nah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And how old your sister age?
What?
Your sister age?
12.
Well, oh, oh. Uh,
Yeah, bro. I think the police is gonna. Behind.
you
Is gonna chase you, bro. And kinda weird. You
you
know?
have you have cousin sisters?
Huh?
You have cousin sister?
Uh, what sister?
Cousin.
Kajin?
Uncle's daughter.
No, don't have daughters.
Oh, no have.
Unfortunate to you, man. Sorry, bro. But I have a lot of beautiful friends, bro.
Wow. That is
Gotta show you.
beautiful. That is beautiful opportunity for me.
Yeah, bro. No, but show you. Let's show.
Yeah. You introduce me.
I want to
Also,
introduce you.
yes.
Uh,
Show me your friends pictures.
hmm, come, let me.
I am belong to Damad of Brazil. I am Brazilian Damad.
Bajillion.
Yes. You are Brazil from Brazil.
Yeah.
I am Damad of Brazil.
Tamado Brasil.
Ah, son-in-law,
Can, can
son-in-law
you
of Brazil.
roast? Can you roast in the chat?
What are you saying?
Like in the chat.
Typing.
Typing. Yeah, type.
My Instagram ID.
No, bro. Your name.
My name. My name. And it's also my Instagram ID.
Oh, like my French here. See, good looking Brazilian.
What
My
are you
name
saying?
is my name is
So
Felipe.
I meet your friends and I propose her.
Yeah,
Okay?
bro.
Okay.
Bro, so
You introduce me with her. Okay?
I'm gonna introduce you.
You become my GF with your friends.
No, bro, don't become your Jeff. Nah, that's no way.
Why? Your friends, my GF. What friends? Cute
Okay.
friends.
I mean, I became you, Jeff. No, bro, no.
Your cute friends, my GF. You introduce me with her.
But you can have more than one Jeff.
No, I have no GF.
No, but you can have more than one.
One.
You can just have one.
One. Only one GF. Cute GF. Cute.
Just one Jeff, really? You can have
Yes.
two.
No. Only one and cute. From Brazil.
Bro, I give you three bad bitches.
No, no, no. I only one GF, and I am honest with her.
Bro, you can be honest with three?
No, no.
Why so cute?
I am honest with one.
R.
RRR. Yes, yes. RRR. My movie.
Yeah,
Yes.
bro.
Yes, yes. Indian movie.
Yeah, bro, it's so good. Really, it was one
Wow,
of
wow,
my.
wow. Thank you. You watch? You watch?
Yeah, bro.
Wow, wow. Love India.
Bro, yeah, bro. I fell in love with Indian movies because of this movie. It's really good.
Wow.
The
Wow.
movie is
I
long.
lots of love from Brazil, bro. I lots of love. You love my movie and I love you, bro. I love you.
Bro, call me. It's gonna be great.
I teach you Indian language.
Teach me one word in Indian.
Namaste.
Namaste, everyone knows,
Oh,
bro.
everyone know. Everyone
Namaste.
knows. Okay, okay. One word. गर्दा
What?
उड़ा देंगे बिहार में. गर्दा.
Guarda.
गर्दा.
Guarda.
गर्दा
Guarda.
उड़ा देंगे
Guradenge.
बिहार में.
Bihar में. Is it right?
Yes, yes. गर्दा उड़ा देंगे बिहार में.
Guarda. Berenge Miharde.
गर्दा उड़ा देंगे बिहार में.
Guarda.
गर्दा.
Guarda. Guarda.
यस. गर्दा गर्दा उड़ा देंगे बिहार में.
Urabenge Biharde.
Bihar is my
Bihari.
Bihari. Yes, I am from Bihar.
You're telling your city name?
Oh, yes. One word or speak. सहरसा वालों,
Saha Valvo?
मैं आ रहा हूँ सहरसा.
Bro, I
मैं
can't.
मैं
My.
मैं आ
My.
रहा हूँ
Araharu.
सहरसा.
Sahasa.
That means you come Saharsa, my city.
Eu vou para Sahasa. Ó, I'm gonna
You follow me and you meet your friends.
meet your friends, bro.
Cute friends. Cute friends.
Good friends. The most beautiful woman you're gonna see in your life. Trust.
Beautiful and cute.
Mhm.
And
So, ciao.
you
Ciao.
ciao. Ciao means bye. Ciao means bye.
Yeah.
Wow, ciao.